Our planet faces unprecedented environmental challenges. From flooding and coastal erosion to declining water quality, these issues demand urgent attention. The Natural Environment Research Council, or NEARC, recognizes the vital role communities play in addressing these challenges. NEARC, a part of UK Research and Innovation, has awarded £2.4 million to 3 community-led environmental science projects. These projects represent a pioneering approach, placing communities at the heart of finding sustainable solutions. They are the first NEARC research projects to be co-led by local communities and scientists from inception to completion. This collaborative approach ensures that local knowledge and needs are central to the research process. By working together, communities and scientists can develop solutions tailored to the specific challenges faced by each region. The 3 projects focus on distinct environmental issues: flooding, coastal erosion, and water pollution. Through these projects, NEARC aims to not only address pressing environmental problems, but also to empower communities to become stewards of their local environments. The Converse project focuses on the escalating flood risk in Merseyside and Cheshire. This region faces a predicted doubling of flood risk by 2080, posing a significant threat to communities and infrastructure. The project recognizes that marginalized communities are often disproportionately affected by flooding and are often overlooked in flood management strategies. Converse aims to address this inequity by working directly with these communities to co-design and implement flood mitigation measures. The project will identify and implement nature-based interventions, such as woodland planting and the construction of leaky dams. These interventions work in harmony with nature to reduce flood risk while also providing additional environmental benefits. By involving local communities in the design and implementation of these interventions, the Converse project ensures that solutions are tailored to the specific needs and concerns of those most affected by flooding. This participatory approach fosters a sense of ownership and empowers communities to become active participants in flood risk management. Nature-based interventions represent a paradigm shift in flood management. Instead of relying solely on hard engineering solutions like concrete flood walls, nature-based interventions harness the power of nature to reduce flood risk. These interventions work by mimicking natural processes to slow the flow of water, increase water storage capacity, and enhance the resilience of ecosystems to flooding. One of the key advantages of nature-based interventions is their multifunctionality. Unlike traditional flood defenses, which often serve a single purpose, nature-based interventions provide a range of environmental, social, and economic benefits. For example, woodland planting not only reduces flood risk, but also sequesters carbon dioxide, enhances biodiversity, and provides recreational opportunities. By integrating flood management with other environmental objectives, nature-based interventions offer a more holistic and sustainable approach. The Converse project's focus on nature-based interventions reflects a growing recognition of the importance of working with nature to address environmental challenges. The Pollution-Free Aquatic Environment Project tackles the pressing issue of water quality in Yorkshire's rivers and lakes. Water pollution poses a significant threat to human health, wildlife, and the overall health of aquatic ecosystems. This project takes a unique approach to addressing this challenge by engaging over 1,700 members of the public in a large-scale citizen science initiative. Citizen science empowers members of the public to participate in scientific research, contributing valuable data and insights. In this project, citizens will work alongside academics, government officials, charities, and businesses to monitor water quality across Yorkshire. They will receive training and a co-produced toolkit to collect data on micropollutants and bacterial species. By monitoring the presence and levels of micropollutants, citizen scientists can provide valuable data to inform water quality management strategies. The project's citizen science approach not only generates valuable data, but also raises awareness about water quality issues among the public. Section 5. Empowering communities to monitor and protect their waterways. The Pollution-Free Aquatic Environment Project exemplifies the power of citizen science to empower communities to become stewards of their local environments. By providing citizens with the tools and knowledge to monitor water quality, the project enables them to play an active role in protecting their waterways. Traditional monitoring programs, often limited by funding and personnel, can only collect data from a limited number of locations. Citizen science, on the other hand, enables researchers to gather data from a much wider geographical area, providing a more comprehensive picture of water quality. By participating in scientific research, citizens become more aware of the challenges facing their local waterways and more invested in finding solutions. This can lead to changes in individual and collective behavior that contribute to improved water quality. By engaging the public in scientific research, these projects make science more accessible and relevant to people's everyday lives. This can lead to increased scientific literacy and a greater appreciation for the importance of environmental protection. Section 6. Addressing coastal erosion in the Outer Hebrides. The Muir is Tear Project. The Muir is Tear Project focuses on the pressing issue of coastal erosion on the islands of Barra and Vatasai in the Outer Hebrides. Climate change and rising sea levels are exacerbating coastal erosion worldwide, posing a significant threat to coastal communities and infrastructure. The Outer Hebrides, with their exposed coastlines, are particularly vulnerable to these impacts. Muir is Tear, meaning sea and land in Gaelic, recognizes the interconnectedness of these two realms and the importance of finding solutions that address both coastal protection and community well-being. The project aims to develop nature-based solutions to mitigate coastal erosion while also enhancing the resilience of the local community. Nature-based solutions for coastal protection often involve working with natural processes to reduce wave energy and promote sediment deposition. Examples include restoring sand dunes, planting salt-tolerant vegetation, and creating artificial reefs. By integrating local knowledge with scientific expertise, the project aims to create sustainable solutions that benefit both the environment and the community. Section 7. Combining local knowledge with scientific expertise for sustainable solutions. The Muir is Tear project integrates local knowledge with scientific expertise to address environmental challenges. Coastal communities possess valuable knowledge about coastal processes and weather patterns. This traditional knowledge informs scientific research and solutions. Local insights help scientists understand coastal erosion impacts. Combining knowledge leads to effective, sustainable solutions. Section 8. The Power of Collaboration, Community Engagement and Co-Leadership. The NERC-funded projects highlight the power of collaboration in addressing environmental challenges. By prioritizing community engagement and co-leadership, these projects are pioneering inclusive and effective environmental science. Community engagement involves actively involving communities in all research stages. This ensures research is relevant and solutions are sustainable. Co-leadership ensures communities have a genuine say in research and funding. Communities and scientists share power and responsibility, fostering ownership and empowerment. Section 9. A New Era of Environmental Science. The impact of NERC's Engaged Environmental Science Program. The 3 community-led projects funded by NERC represent a significant step towards a new era of environmental science. NERC's Engaged Environmental Science Program, under which these projects are funded, signals a shift in thinking about the role of communities in environmental research. This program recognizes that communities are not merely passive recipients of scientific knowledge, but active agents of change. By empowering communities to lead and co-create research, NERC is fostering a more collaborative and equitable approach to environmental science. The impacts of this program extend far beyond the immediate outcomes of the 3 projects. By demonstrating the value of community engagement and co-leadership, the program is paving the way for more participatory and inclusive environmental research in the future. By working together, Scientists, communities, policymakers, and other stakeholders can create a more sustainable and equitable future for all.